So in this Swagbucks tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to make real money playing Beast Go on Swagbucks. So once the Swagbucks app is opened up, which it is right now, go to the bottom left and press on the games icon and then press on get started. It'll then redirect you to a new screen right here where if you want to go ahead to the top right to where it says sort, where it says most popular, go ahead and press on A to Z. Now this is probably the simplest way to find games is just by sorting to A to Z. So in this case, we're looking for the game Beast Go. So we don't have to slide too far down. We'll just make our way over to the B's right here. Earn up to 33,700 swag bucks by playing Beast Go. Now, how you guys can exactly do that is to first and foremost download the game. Now, once that is done, you simply get points by completing different levels here. So, for example, if you complete to level 5, you get 15 swag bucks. If you were to go all the way to level 10, 75, and so on and so forth. And after time, once you guys earn a certain amount of swag bucks, you can redeem that for gift cards and real cash. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that is how to make real money by playing Beast Go on Swagbucks. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.